Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Windows 11 updates such as the KB5058411 cumulative update released on May 13, 2025 are vital in maintaining the security and stability of the system, offering necessary patches, fixes, and features. The update for Windows 11 versions 24H2 that takes the OS build to 261004061 remediates 78 vulnerable KB5058411 failure to install with several causes include an outdated update cache in the software distributions directory, insufficient disk space, third-party antivirus, and corrupted system files. Then I'll show you following step solutions to resolve this issue. And the first solutions that we're going to do is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to click on Start menu, and then here at Search for Apps, and then you need to type Troubleshoot Settings, and then you need to click Open. And then here at Troubleshoots under at Options, and then you need to select Other Troubleshooters and then click. And again here Other Troubleshooters under at Most Frequent, and then you need to select Windows Update, and on right side you can say this Run, and then you need to click. And pop-ups this Windows Update detecting problems, and then we need to wait to complete the initializing and diagnostic process. And troubleshooting has completed, so this is the result that problems found with the Windows Update. If their error is still or already fixed, then you need to click yes. But if the error is still not yet fixed, and then click no, and then you need to follow the screen instructions to fix this issue. Alright, so once you're done here are Windows Update Troubleshooters, and then we need to close. And then if the error still persists, then you need to proceed to the next solutions that ensure relevant services are running. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard to open this run. And then pop-ups this run. So here inbox, and then we need to type this command keyword services.msc. So just type this command keyword services.msc, that is one word, and then click OK. And then once you open up the services and services local, and on right side, and then we need to find and locate this Windows Update, and then you need to scroll down and find this Windows Update. But before to proceed, so for each service, ensure that startup type is set to automatic, and then check if the service is status, if the service is not running or run, then we need to proceed. All right. So all you have to do is to select this Windows Update, and then you need to right click and then check if the service is already running or not. So since this service is already running, so all you have to do is to click this restart and wait to complete the restart process. And then after that, and the next services that we need to modify is to find and locate this background intelligent transfer service, and then you need to scroll up again and then select this background intelligent transfer service. So same procedure, you need to select and then right click and then check if the service is already running or not. So since this service is not running, so all you have to do is to double click, and then here at general properties, startup type, and then we need to modify, click this arrow and select this automatic, and then next here at service status, then you need to click this start and wait to complete the start process. And then you need to click apply and then click OK. Alright, so the last services that we need to modify is to find and locate this cryptographic services. Then you need to scroll down again and then find this cryptographic service. So select and then right click and then check if the service is already running or not. So since this service is already running, so all you have to do is to click this restart and wait to complete the restart process. Alright, and then after here are services, and then we need to close. And then here at start menu, and then we need to restart to fix this error. Alright, so that's it guys. So thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful to resolve Windows Update error on your PC. and give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having problems with Windows. And if you're new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.